Hey guys, what's up and welcome. It's your girl What Apparel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing some of the Ankara fabrics I got from the market. Earlier in the week I was at the market to get some very beautiful Ankara fabric which I'll be using for our tutorial videos weekly. So today also happens to be my photo shoot day. Usually I take photographs of my outfits and also I use them when editing videos for my sewing tutorial. And so today happens to be that day and you can see I'm looking glammed. So what do you think about my makeup? The earring, the hairdo, and also the color of my fabric. Okay, so this is going to be the tutorial video for this week, and so you can leave me a comment below and tell me what you think about my today look. Is it given? Leave me a comment below in the comment section. So without further ado, let me go ahead to show you guys some of the fabrics that I got. So the very first on my list will be this one that I'm spreading out on the table right now. It's having a shade of pink and also a shade of teal green. And then also I got this Mikado silk. I'm having the feeling that this particular Mikado silk fabric doesn't actually go with this green. So I'm intending to use the Mikado silk for another Ankara design. So I want you to tell me in the comment section what you think I should make with this particular Ankara fabric, okay? And so the next would be this one having a leaf pattern with different shades of colors. It has blue, it has green, it has yellow, and it has red. I tell you, the camera did not actually do justice to this fabric. It looks so beautiful. In fact, a lot of persons that saw it chose and preferred this fabric to the other one. So next is this blue, this sky blue Ankara fabric with orange pattern also on it. It looked really beautiful. I'm thinking of making an outfit using an orange ashoki to combine it. So you could also leave me a comment below in the comment section and tell me what you think I can make with this fabric, okay? So the next on my list would be this Ankara fabric with a brown background. If you know what this shade of brown is, can you tell me what it is in the comment section? It's one thing to be a fashion designer and another thing to be good with color blending, to be very acquainted with colors. So I don't know what shade of brown this is. It's actually having rose flower pattern and it looked beautiful. So the next Ankara fabric is this. It's also having a flower pattern. It has beautiful petals of orange color, purple, and is that onion color? I don't know what it is called. And it's also having a background of teal green. Okay, so suggest for me in the comment section what you think we would be making with this Ankara fabric. Okay, so the last and final one is going to be this material on the table that is having spottings of purple color. It's reflecting purple. It's a black fabric, a black stretchy fabric. I don't know what it is called, but it's a stretchy material and I really like it because of the purple that is reflecting. So I'm going to be using it to make something like shimmy for my client, and I'll also be making for myself as well. And then I have this also that I'm going to be using for making for my clients along with the ashoke. So that's all the fabric I got from the market. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial videos. I don't know what the prices of fabric are in your location. For mine, some added 500, some added 1,000. They're not so expensive.
It's not easy putting up videos weekly on the channel. It costs us a lot of money. And so if you're watching our videos and you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and leave your girl a like. You can also comment below in the comment section and share with me styles that you think we can also make on this channel. So family members, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for sticking up till now. I hope you enjoyed today's video. In my next, I'm going to be sharing with us a detailed step-by-step guide on how I made this beautiful crepe design or style that I'm wearing. So until then, stay blessed and bye.